Stop what you are doing right now, because what is happening inside your engine at this very moment could already be destroying it, and you would never know until. Stop what you are doing right now, because what is happening inside your engine at this very moment could already be destroying it, and you would never know until the repair bill hits. One wrong number on an oil bottle, just one, and you are looking at a $5,000, even $10,000 engine replacement that no warranty will cover and no mechanic can reverse. 90% of drivers are making this exact mistake right now. Not occasionally, not rarely, every single oil change. And the terrifying part is that most of them are the careful ones who actually think about maintenance. This video counts down every layer of this silent engine killer all the way down to number 1, the single most costly oil mistake that is cutting engine life in half across millions of vehicles today. Stay until the end, because walking away early could be the most expensive decision you ever make for your car. Number 10. The wrong bottle trap. You grab the oil that feels right, the brand you recognize, the one on sale, or the number that sounds toughest, because thicker always meant stronger in your mind. That instinct is costing drivers $400 to $900 in unnecessary engine wear every single year. Viscosity is not a strength rating. It is a precise behavioral profile describing how your oil flows through your specific engine at specific temperatures. Engine replacements on a 2018 Honda Accord or 2019 Toyota Camry run between $4,000 and $7,000. You grab the wrong bottle to save $3. That is not thriftiness. That is a financial trap wearing the disguise of common sense. Number 9. The thicker is safer myth. Studies show up to 80% of all engine wear happens in the first 30 to 60 seconds after a cold start, before oil reaches your bearings and camshafts. If your oil is too thick for your engine specification, it moves slower during those critical seconds, and metal grinds against metal. While you sit in your driveway thinking you gave your engine the best protection money can buy, your 2017 Toyota Corolla or 2020 Honda Civic engine with tolerances so tight that heavy oil at cold startup is like pushing honey through a drinking straw in January. Thicker oil in the wrong engine is not a safety blanket. It is a slow betrayal happening every single morning you turn that key. Number 8. Ignoring the manufacturer's specification. Toyota, Honda, and Nissan owners make this mistake despite their manufacturer warning them in writing. Post-2015 Japanese engines specify 0W20 and even 0W6 sticks, because they were built with variable valve timing systems and oil pressure circuits precision engineered for lighter, faster-flowing synthetic oil. Pouring 10W40 into a 2016 Toyota Camry or 2017 Honda CR-V that calls for 0W20 actively interferes with those systems and creates resistance the oil pump was never designed to overcome. NHTSA complaint databases contain thousands of reports of ticking, timing chain rattles, and check engine lights appearing after wrong viscosity oil changes. A variable valve timing actuator replacement on a 2017 Honda CR-V costs up to $1,400. The correct oil change costs $50. The math is not complicated, but the mistake is extraordinarily common. Number 7. The European Approval Code Trap. BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Volkswagen engines require specific manufacturer approval codes. BMW Long Life 01, Mercedes-Benz 22951, VW 50400, not just the right viscosity number. A generic 5W30 without BMW LL01 approval in a 2016 BMW 328i can quietly destroy your catalytic converter and accelerate timing chain wear. Timing chain replacement on a BMW N20 engine runs between $2,000 and $4,000. Using the wrong oil in the right viscosity is like wearing the right size shoe on the wrong foot. It fits, it moves, and it destroys you slowly. Number 6. The high mileage viscosity gamble. Your instinct says, go thicker on a high mileage engine, but high mileage oil in your exact specified grade already contains seal conditioners and anti-wear additives designed specifically for worn internal geometry. Jumping up a full viscosity grade without verifying your API or ILSAC GF6 rating, can actually starve narrow bearing clearances of fast-moving oil during startup and accelerate the very wear you were trying to prevent. Your engine's age is not a reason to abandon the specification. It is a reason to honor it with even more precision. Number 5. The cold climate cold start trap. A 0W oil flows properly at -40 degrees Celsius, while a 10W is tested at -30. That difference sounds trivial until your 10W30 is crawling through engine passages on a January morning, while your neighbor's 0W220 is already protecting every bearing surface within 3 seconds of startup. Consumer Reports consistently shows that cold start wear accumulated over years represents some of the most significant internal damage found in high-mileage vehicles. If you are running a heavier cold rating than your engine demands, you are paying for wear with every single winter startup, and you will not see that invoice until well past 100,000 miles. Number 4. The viscosity stability illusion. Most drivers believe protection stays consistent from the first mile of an oil change to the last, but that is not reality. Full synthetic 5W30 stays remarkably stable across the full interval, while 5W40 shows greater viscosity variation during the short-trip partial warm-up cycles that dominate everyday driving. Engines do not die from one bad oil choice. They die quietly from thousands of repeated oil changes, where protection was slightly off every single time. If this is already saving your wallet, hit that like button right now and subscribe so you never miss content that keeps money in your pocket and years on your engine. Number 3. The driving pattern trap. Most drivers take short trips under 10 miles, where the engine never reaches stable operating temperature before shutting off again. In that reality, 5W40 takes longer to circulate on startup, generates more friction and heat, and real-world data shows it running measurably hotter during stop-and-go cycles, compared to 5W30 under identical conditions. That heat consumes your additive package faster and shortens the oil's protective life. Running 5W40 in a daily commuter is not extra protection. It is faster degradation wrapped in the illusion of toughness. Number 2. The certification label mistake. Viscosity is only half the story on that bottle. The performance certification, API rating, ILSAC GF6A, specific OEM approval codes, is the other half, and millions of drivers never check it. An oil with the correct 5W30 viscosity but wrong additive chemistry can still destroy your catalytic converter and emission systems. Catalytic converter replacement runs between $1,000 and $3,000. Diesel particulate filter replacement on a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta TDI runs up to $4,000. You saved $2 per quart, and the repair bill is now bigger than your car payment. Check the full specification every single time, not just the numbers, the entire label. Number 1. Trusting the quick-lube sticker over your own manual. That shop puts a 3,000-mile reminder on your windshield, while your 2018 Honda Accord with full synthetic 0W20 has a manufacturer interval of up to 10,000 miles. Your 2019 Toyota Camry Hybrid goes 7,500 miles or more. That sticker is not based on your car, your oil, or your driving pattern. It is based on a business model that needs you coming back 3 times more often than necessary. The only interval that matters is the one printed by the engineers who built your specific engine. Trusting anything else is handing money directly to a shop that profits from your confusion. Hit that like button, drop your car and oil grade in the comments, subscribe so you never miss a video that saves you thousands, and share this with one person who needs it before their next oil change. The next video is already waiting. Click it now, because what is inside could save you even more.